Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, so today I'm just going to be showing you guys my updated blowout routine, and my hair's already freshly washed and I use both Eden products. Don't worry, both the shampoo and the deep conditioner will be listed in the description box below. So I'm just applying some leave-in conditioner to my hair, and I'm doing this to make sure that my hair has some sort of moisture in it before I start. So now I'm using the blowout spray by this is compared to the Kenra blowout spray, and it basically just helps to speed up the blowout time and also give you that luscious blowout.
We won't go back home today until the very last.
Okay, so I like to work with my hair in quarters because it's so much easier for me. And what I do is I divide the first quarter into half, so in two. So now I'm going to tangle my hair using a wide tooth comb, and then I would use the pick of the blow dryer. This just makes sure that your hair doesn't snap or like get caught in the blow dryer. So to blow out my hair, I hold down the end and then I start from the roots to the tip, and I do this slowly. Also, I use the heat setting #1 because I used to use cool heat before, but to be fair, I didn't get the results that I wanted, and this is so much better, and there's also no heat damage, so why not? Okay, so I'm going to repeat the exact same thing to the next section. Wide tooth comb, pick, and then blow out. Something I want you guys to notice, I blow out my hair in every direction, so the left or the right, both top and bottom. This just makes sure that my hair is bouncy and like I have movement when my blowout is done. So this has nothing to do with the length or the fullness of your hair, but if you blow out your hair in every direction, your hair will bounce. Okay, so I'm going to speed up the process now that you guys get the gist. The final step is to add some oil to my hair, and the oil I'm using today is by Word. This is the hair growth stimulator. It will be linked in the description box. Do check them out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, like, share, comment. I am just repeating myself right now. Yeah, please don't forget to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.